Hi guys, so quickly I'll show us how to make a hair bonnet. So you have two large pieces of satin fabric, 24 inches by 24 inches each, and then those straps are 72 inches by 3 inches. Okay, so let's get started. Now this is the fabric, so you have 24 by 24 inches. You fold it into two like this, okay, and then you fold the second time like this. The next thing, you're going to measure 12 inches from the tip of the fold. Okay, you measure 12 inches round, like you're trying to draw like not a rectangle but like more of a cone, right? So you measure it round and then you join all the points together, okay, like this. So it is preferably for you to cut the two fabrics together. We have two different satin, so I'm just going to cut this. So when I cut this out, I can still place this on the second fabric to also cut this one out, or you can cut it together, whatever works for you. Okay, so once you cut it out, okay, then you go ahead to open it. You're not opening it fully, you're opening it like into half like that. So I'll measure 3 inches from the tip there. Okay, so I want to create like an opening because this bonnet does not have an elastic, so we need to create like an opening so that it will be easy to wear it. So I'm just cutting it out like this. Okay, so now I can open it fully. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and just sew the curve at the top. Okay, so take it to my sewing machine and just sew that curve. Okay, then I want to snip all the well, let me say notch it so that when you fold it and you're pressing it, it will lie very very flat. Okay, so once you notch it, you want to press it like so. Then this is how it looks like now. Next, I'm going to run a gather stitch round. Okay, and when you run a gather stitch like this, next thing you're going to use your hand to start pulling the stitch gently. Okay, so of course most of us here should know how to run a gather stitch, so you can do one or two then lines, okay, and then you begin to gather it. So you're gathering it back to between 22 and 24 inches. That's like the average size of an adult head. Okay, so once you gather it back, now we are going to like join all the straps together. So this is my strap here. I'm joining the two straps together. Don't forget it is 72 inches by 3 inches. Okay, so I joined it together. Now I'm going to be attaching one side of the strap to one side of the bonnet. Okay, I'm sewing with half-inch seam allowance, and then when I'm done attaching one side, I'll go ahead and attach the other side of the strap. Okay, so if you want to, you can make the strap to be longer, depends on you. Okay, so here I'm just sewing the other side of the strap or the rope. Yeah, so once you're done doing that, I'll just show the outcome. So this is what it looks like, you see. So it's actually reversible. You can wear it in, out. Let me show you how it looks like on me. So here guys, this is how it looks like on me. Like, I really love it, and I don't know, somehow I prefer this to the one with the elastic. Yeah, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.